gentlemen, I blind bought my very first Fragrance Du Bois fragrance. So let's have a look at what I bought, how much I paid for it, and most importantly, how it smells. So I found this Fragrance Du Bois bottle on Facebook Marketplace, where one of my friends and followers of the channel was selling it for around $300 or so. But I was so lucky to get it even cheaper than what he asked for. So let's have a look at it. Let's open up the box here and have a look at the other box, and let's open it up together. There it is. I decided to pull the trigger on something that I have looked at for a while, and that is Fragrance Du Bois Pure Oud Oil Spray. This is a 15 ml and it looks majestic even though it is just 15 ml. Inside here, there's also a Fragrance Du Bois envelope here, and in this envelope, there is a certificate of authenticity where there's also a letter. And unfortunately, there is no wood chip in this one. And since it is used that I bought this fragrance, I didn't expect that either. What there's also here is the coordinates of where this oud comes from. It's vintage 2016, and there's also the distiller's name here on the certificate, and the certificate date is from 2018. But that is certainly interesting. So let's try this fragrance here for the very first time together. Let's put the box down and let's try Fragrance Du Bois Pure Oud Oil. Oh, that is one oily bad boy. This kicks ass. Ooh, it's super potent. So if I didn't mention this already, this is a blind buy. I have never tried this before, and I bought it as soon as I could because I have never seen this on the market, especially for this cheap that I got it. The retail price of this bad boy here from Fragrance Du Bois is $755, and I was so fortunate to get it for $267. So I've saved ungodly amount of money on this fragrance here, which was almost unused. This is very strong, and I wish I could say it's very complex, but not really. This is 100% oud oil from Middle East Asia, so this is not going to be super complex, but it is going to be very rich, very dark, and very animalic, very deep, very dense. But it's not overly animalic. It doesn't have this hissy or fecal quality to it, but it's definitely intense and overwhelming. But what I also do pick up is the resinous touches. This is very resinous, very ambery and balsamic, almost like a tiger balm, if you know what that is. It's very, very balsamic and almost medicinal smelling, with the very dense, thick, very intense oud smell. This does not smell anywhere near as what I would have expected the scent profile to be. I do have real oud from Cambodia in an oil form, which you might have seen in my Dubai vlog where I purchased it, and they are not alike whatsoever. The Cambodian oud is way more woody, way more oudy and animalic, whereas this one is still very intense and has some animalic facets, but this is way more balsamic and resinous. So I am very, very surprised. It almost has a cooling sensation to it, like very, very cold smelling. This is a powerhouse for sure. I am super happy that I bought this. This is a very, very, very risky blind buy, and the only reason I pulled the trigger on it is because I knew what I was expecting. I knew that this would be very intense, very rich, and very, very strong, and possibly overwhelming for the majority of people. But I know what I like, I know what I want. But this one was, in my opinion, a successful blind buy. But please only pick this up if you can find it for a good price, because typically this is almost never on discount. discount. If it is, you might be very lucky, but you need to know what you like. You need to know if you like real oud that is super intense and super strong and possibly unappealing, possibly fecal and animalic and very unpleasant. Myself as an oud connoisseur, I really enjoy this. It is so intense, so strong, but yet so smooth and so pure as the name would suggest. Is it a safe blind buy? Possibly the most unsafe blind buy you could ever do. Is it a good fragrance? Yes. When can you wear this fragrance? In the colder weather, or generally if you want to make a fragrance that you own to make it stronger and have resinous, balsamic and oudy facets. And you can also wear it by itself, but you need to pull this off so this fragrance doesn't wear you, because this scent can be overwhelming, especially if you're not the right person to wear it. But definitely give this one a try if you can, and please do not do the same thing as I did and blind buy it unless you know the consequences of you might not liking it at all. But I know what I like, I know what I want, and that's why I pulled the trigger on it, and I'm very happy that I did. Gentlemen, have you tried this fragrance before? Have you tried anything from Fragrance Du Bois? Do you own anything from Fragrance Du Bois? And if you do, what is your favorite Fragrance Du Bois fragrance? I would love to see what you have to say down in the comment section below. I always love to see what you have to say down there. Also, if you enjoyed this blind buy Fragrance Du Bois unboxing, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to Men's Improvement YouTube channel for more videos about fragrances, grooming, style, fashion, skincare, fitness, watches, everything that will make you the best possible versions of yourselves. The last few things I want to ask journalists to smile more because it's free. I want you to watch these two videos right here. This one here was my latest upload, whereas this one upload was video that YouTube algorithm thinks you will enjoy.